Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, we were standing at 118,500, and today, Bitcoin topped 121,000 on October 2nd, marking its highest level since mid-August. This move reached all our short-term targets, and I closed my positions from mid-August for gains. After locking in, I re-entered, which raised my average entries into the mid-119,000 range. I also have positions open with entries in the mid-118,000 range, which I leave untouched for now. Looking at the chart now, Bitcoin is testing support around 119,800, aligning with the 21 EMA on the hourly chart. If this level does not hold, the next area to watch is the dotted blue line at 118,500. aligning with the 50 EMA on the hourly. Because of this, I set conditional orders to close my open positions if price returns to 119,800, leaving room to re-enter if it dips lower. The money flow remains strong in the green. Price is stable around 120,000. The MACD line is starting to slip under the signal line, and the RSI has cooled to around 59 after peaking near 80. On the daily chart, Bitcoin looks like it may try to retest the last all-time high of 123,000 from July. Though staying cautious here makes sense. Checking the heat maps, on the one-day view the hottest area sits at 118,000, with a new strong zone building above 124,000. The 3-day map highlights 115,700, while the 1-month map shows a heavy buildup of long exposure around 108,000 from last week. Spot ETF inflows continue to impress. Yesterday, October 2nd, we saw over 627 million enter, with BlackRock leading at 466 million. Supply is being absorbed quickly, even as much of social sentiment believes a top is in. Historically, that is not how real tops form. And in lighter news, the McRib is back. Historically, Bitcoin has doubled after the McRib's return. Maybe this is the real signal amidst the noise. Remember, TA does not just stand for technical analysis. Here it is, tasty analysis. Elsewhere, Citigroup adjusted its forecasts, slightly lowering year-end expectations for Bitcoin while raising those for Ether. Their target for Bitcoin is 133,000 by year-end and 181,000 over the next 12 months. For Ether, they see 4,500 this year and 5,400 next year. This highlights a potential shift in institutional preference, while Bitcoin continues to hold its core store value role. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Leave a comment for the algorithm, it really helps. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with the notification bell turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.